Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Elias and on this channel we're talking about growing on YouTube and investments. On this video I'm gonna show you how much a small YouTube channel make with 1000 subscribers. On this example we're gonna check my channel, my main channel in the beginning. And I want you to understand that my results have nothing to do with your results. You can have a better results or you can have a worse results, okay? Because it all depends on many factors. I hope you like the detailed video that I made and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support me to make more videos like this one. Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Liakoras Moments and today we're gonna discuss about a very interesting topic. We're gonna talk about making money on YouTube. It's more like this actually.
I like money.
Some of you might have already a YouTube channel and you're making videos here on YouTube, so you might find it interesting to see my numbers and how my channel is performing. On the other hand, if you're someone that's just starting or you're thinking to start, this video gonna give you the basics and the understanding of what you can actually expect by investing your time on making videos here on YouTube. So yeah, today guys I'm gonna reveal how much I got in my first paycheck on YouTube. A little bit background about my channel guys. I started this channel 2.5 years ago. On July 5th 2018 on my birthday I post my first video and this is how I commit to myself to post here videos. Mainly I was doing random vlog type videos and traveling here in Cyprus. To be honest, I jumped to YouTube just to try it out because anyway I was carrying my small GoPro here, the same camera I was carrying with me, doing videos randomly, vlogs and stuff like this, so I decided why not to try it out. I didn't have any specific goals or any plan for my videos or my channel, so it actually took me a long time until I hit my first 1000 subscribers. I say 1000 subscribers because if you don't know, in order to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours on your videos for the past year. When you hit that, you get monetized by YouTube and advertisements start to play on your videos. And depends on your performance, the views and other metrics, you get paid every month. So I reached that milestone of 1000 subscribers after 2 years of hustling on June 2020. I applied for AdSense immediately. AdSense is a program by Google that helps you automatically place ads on your website or videos. So I applied and accepted by YouTube Partner Program as they call it. And after 1 month I received this letter from AdSense. Actually, this is not the money unfortunately, this is actually a PIN to verify your account. The good thing is from the day that I get approved, it starts showing me some cents on my YouTube analytics here. So let's jump to my analytics here so I can show you. So you can see 28th of June 2020 I have €0 here, and the next day if you go here to 29th of the June you can see my first 41 cents in a day, my first money on YouTube here. And the next day, which actually was the last day of the month, June 30, I make more 63 cents. All this total, actually 3 days being monetized on June, it gave me a total of €1.04. Okay, this was the first month being monetized, just 3 days actually, with a total of €1.04. Okay, so let's go to July to see how I made in my actually first total month, whole month, because this was just 3 days. Let's go to July here and you can see immediately on July plus €1 I had before, totally I made €21.87. So this is the money that actually counts like my first month being monetized on YouTube. It was €21.87 and you can see here every day. You can see here 1st of July I make 93 cents, 2nd of July just 36 cents, 4th of July 85, so it fluctuates up and down. So at the end it gives us the total of €21.87. And then we can go to August to see what happened in August. And you can see from July to August we have double our money here. From €21.87 we went to 42.31 cents, €42, so €20 extra in our account. So I was making here around €20 per month only, but it's actually the first money, it's okay. So you can see here every day I was getting some money, some 80 cents, 60 cents, 50 cents and so on. The best day was here €1.39 on August 16 because maybe of this video with the beach, I'm not sure. So you can see at the end of August in total for the June that I started, I get monetized on June, July, and August totally was 42 euro and 31 cents. So that's actually very interesting to watch here your channel analytics here. And of course this 42 euro I never get that until, because on YouTube there is a like payment thresholds, right? Okay, so just for you to understand, if you don't reach your payment threshold here, for my example I had put it to 70, it's gonna keep this money until you're gonna reach it next month. Okay, so you don't lose the money, it just stay there until you're gonna reach it next month, or after 2 months you're gonna be paid. This payment threshold you can change it. The 70 euro is the minimum. You can put to 100, you can put maybe above that 150, 300, 500. It depends on how much you're making with ads on YouTube. So here I got to go to 70 euro, the payment threshold that I had, so I get paid. So we said on July I had 21 euro 87 cent. On August we went to 42.31 cent. We double it, so we made around 20 euro per month here, and my balance was still at 42 and 31. Okay, so I didn't get paid again even on July, no August. And finally guys, on September my balance overpassed the 70 euro and it was 73 and 42 cents. We see here my total revenue was 73 euro and 44 cents. So that means YouTube could finally send me the money. I overpassed this threshold of 70 euro, so that means I could receive this money, which I did, and actually receive it the next month on 22 of October, and it was deposited from Google of the exact amount of 73 euro and 42 cents to my bank account. I remember receiving the message on my phone and just watching it and saying like, what? Seriously?
Some people can't handle success. I can.
Another interesting thing that I would like to show you here on my YouTube analytics here is the RPM here. You can see the first month I was monetized for 3 days. My RPM, revenue per mile, this is how much you get for 1,000 views on your videos. So it was only 45 cents. Okay, second month it grew to 72 cents. Third month on August it go to 80 cents, so that's cool. This means that I'm getting more money on 1,000 views on my channel. And after on September it went to 97 cents. It's actually started growing slowly. Just for you to understand, the numbers I'm showing you can fluctuate, and it really depends on the video content you are making, the country of your audience, and the general performance of your video. So let me explain you what is CPM and why it affects your revenue. Okay, and here we are in our analytics back to June when I just got monetized. In the first month, my CPM was actually a little bit high. It was 4 euro and 42 cents. CPM stands for cost per mile, and it means how much advertisers paid for 1,000 monetized playbacks, for 1,000 views. Okay, so it was 4 euro 42 cents, and if we go to July, it dropped to 3 euro 40 cents here. If we go to August here, it's still 3 euro 40 cents. So this must be my approximate CPM, how much advertisers willing to pay for videos like mine. Okay, so they're willing to pay 3 euro 40 cents for 1,000 views. So let's go to September. Here we're going back to 4 euro 20 cents. This is actually good. And right now I'm gonna show you some analytics of some specific videos. So I'm gonna choose 2 videos here. Here you can see one of my best performing videos is the review of the Sigma lens. You can see here the CPM is very high, it's 8 euro 15 cents. So on this specific video, advertisers willing to pay up to 8 euro. And of course you can see the RPM, revenue per mile, how much I was getting per 1,000 views. And the estimated revenue that I made from this video on September was 4 euro and 30 cents. Okay, and let's jump to another video on September, which was totally different video. Okay, you can see Nisi Beach here, so it was a travel video. You can see comparing to the previous one, the CPM is very low, it's just 3 euro. The previous video with the lens was 8 euro. And the RPM, the revenue per mile, was almost 3 euro on the lens. And on the Nisi Beach, on the travel video, is just 1 euro. So it's not paying actually very good, this travel video. But if you see on the revenue on the lens, I make 4 euro 30 cents, and here we made 3 euro 40 cents. So the video with the travel had 2.6k views, and the video with the lens had 1.5k views. So with less views, actually it made more money, generated more money than the travel video. But of course, the travel video was more popular and had okay revenue. Let's say 3.40 was okay, and you can see the watch time was actually very similar to both videos. So just the travel video had more views, but it got paid less on the revenue. You can see the estimated revenue, it's much less, for €1 almost. And this was just a small example for you to understand how a different video have a different results. Here we had actually two totally different videos, and you can see the results are much different. On the video with the lens, the RPM is going almost to €3, and the travel video, the RPM is close to €1.30. Okay, so let's jump now, guys, to my analytics here, where we can see all my best performing videos. Alright, and now you can see, guys, on this page my best performing videos from the time I got monetized. So the first video, this is ordered by views, so my best video on views is Ayia Napa Nightlife 2019. You can see 10,000 views, and the second goes the Sigma review of the lens with the half views. But if we go to the revenue here, you can see the difference, it's opposite. The Ayia Napa Nightlife made me just not even €1 here, 94 cents, and the Sigma lens made me €11. So it's the most the best video actually, comparing to the revenue that it brings me. Okay, the reason that you have this difference is because with Ayia Napa Nightlife I had some restriction with monetization because it's showing some inappropriate content, I think because of the nightlife and the people dancing there. So that's why you have this big difference. Not many advertisers willing to pay to get shown on this video, but this is something from YouTube. Okay, let's check the other video we was checking before. So from all this period for 3 months, the Ayia Napa Nisi Beach here and the Sigma had almost similar views, okay, 1,000 less, but you can see the revenue here for 3 months is the half on the travel video. So you can actually say right now that videos with technology, with specific content like lens or something like this, can have a better revenue. And this you can also prove it from the next videos, because you can see I have many videos of traveling here, another nightlife here, it make me €2, €4 here, and again here another Sigma lens review, it's again high at €7. So let's click this, let's put the best video according to the revenue. So the first is the first lens, the second is the second lens with €7. Third goes the Nisi Beach here, the travel video, and after again here down, if we go, we have again another lens. So we have on the top 6, you have already 3 lenses, and the other is about traveling, because most of my videos before was for traveling. Okay, but here I can compare and see that the content that I'm making with products and, let's say, focused videos for lenses or cameras are performing much better here.
We have no choice. We have to get money.
So yeah, guys, this was my first payment from YouTube, €73.42 for 3 months being monetized. That means, guys, so every month we was making around €24.4, okay? This is how I was making per month, and definitely this is not crazy money, guys. It doesn't cover any of my expenses of making video and investing all that time to it.
It costs money to eat.
At the end, guys, YouTube is a very interesting platform, and as many creators say, if you go just for the money, maybe YouTube is not for you. As you saw from my numbers, guys, here, you definitely not get rich here or something. It actually takes a lot of time to generate some kind of income, even to support you. So I would say do it for fun, do it for the love of making videos, and enjoy the journey. We're gonna make actually more videos like this in this channel, talking about YouTube, how you can get started, and other related stuff. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss anything. And hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and help me smash it this year on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys, see you in the next one, and let's always make moments we can never forget.